Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll need to pull down your toggles from the right top side, like this. Extend the list, and in here you'll find a screen recording toggle, hopefully. Now if it's not visible right away, we can most likely find it right here by tapping on this little square. Select Edit Switches, and we almost certainly find it somewhere in here. And for me it's right over here. Once you find your toggle, simply hold it and drag it over to the top, select Done, and now it's accessible in our toggles. And from here you can simply just tap on it. It requires access to storage and microphone, so let's select Agree. And this gives us absolutely zero settings, because why a mid-range device would have settings for screen recording is just baffling to me. Like, apparently we don't need them. We don't need bitrate or frame rates or apparently just any kind of settings associated with it. So because of this, you only get these two toggles, so you can turn off or on microphone and you can just stop recording. That's all you get. I'm gonna turn off the microphone. As you'll realize, we also have a little dot following our finger. This is just to show where our finger is pressing on the screen recording, but in certain cases it will get annoying, for instance in gameplays. So if you don't want to have it in gameplays, too freaking bad. Huawei don't give a crap about that. Anyway, once you're done with the recording, simply click on the square. As you can see, it just gives us this pop-up and it disappears after a moment, which you can then find your screen recording in the gallery application. So under photos it will be the first thing from the top, or under albums you can find it in videos. So there we go. So that's the recording. Now unfortunately it's recording at 30 frames. It looks like 1080p, but still 30 frames is a little bit sad. And you get that dot always following you. So anyway, this is how you would record your screen, at least on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.